Let's talk about what really matters when you're choosing a finance partner to handle the payments in your coaching business. After serving hundreds of conscious entrepreneurs, here are the non-negotiables to look for and what to ask. First, industry understanding. The question, how long have you been providing finance solutions for coaches? Your finance partner should totally understand the coaching industry, know the unique challenges of the online business space, speak your language, and get your mission. At Lifestyle Finance, we've been serving coaches for over 6 years, and we understand your world inside out. We've turned our back on traditional finance, and we've been doing solely this that entire time. Number 2, communication. The question is, what processes do you have in place to ensure I'm kept up to date and in the loop at all times as my client moves through the finance process? What you're looking for is complete process visibility, real-time updates, fast broker access, detailed tracking and reporting each month so you know your numbers. This is why we've built our membership portal, and it has an instant messenger feature, giving our partners complete visibility and control over this. Number 3, proven results. The question is, what runs do you have on the board for this specific type of funding in the coaching space? And here's what you're looking for. Actual approval rates, processing times should be less than 72 hours, client testimonials, and track record. At Lifestyle Finance, we've funded over $16.5 million into the coaching space this year, helped 922 clients alone, which is a 28% increase on approvals from last year. So we know what works. And if you don't believe me, go check out our Google reviews and our reviews across social platforms. They are 5 stars across the board. Number 4, integrity and alignment. Your question is, do you act in accordance with your values? Your finance partner should do what they say, promise only what they can deliver, handle challenges gracefully, and put you and your clients' needs first, and always be open to feedback and have proof of implementing changes that makes things better for you. This is like hand on heart. It's been the key to our success. We're here to serve you, and we live by these principles. Number 5, the question you want to ask is, what ongoing training and support are you going to give me once I partner with you? What they should offer is business growth understanding, nervous system friendly processes, and ongoing coaching and support to make sure this is seamless in your business. At Lifestyle Finance, we have a dedicated queen of operations who is dedicated to your business growth and making sure finance is a seamless process in your business. Remember, partnering with finance isn't just about processing loans and making bank. It's about creating foundations for long-term conscious business growth. Want to experience what true partnership could look like? Click the link below or find it somewhere in the bio and book a free connection call. Let's create sustainable success together.